If you've got a sawmill and you're looking to up your edging capacity, this is a machine that you should be looking at. So we're in the GFP workshop again. We've got two fantastic machines that have just arrived. Two MultiSaw ELE 640 board edges. Can be run as a small multi-rip or multiple blade board edger. We're currently going through the machine. We've just painted it, but the main shaft is out with the blade shaft, and we're rebuilding that shaft, putting new bearings in. This machine will go up to a 640 wide and about a 110 high. It's a fantastic machine. If you look on the steel work here, Leroy, bring the camera. See how thick this 10mm steel plate is here. It's really a robust machine. It's got a lot of life in it. This machine weighs over 2 tons, so really a great machine for any sawmilling operation. On the back side of the machine here, have a look at all the sprockets and chain setup. Really industrial, really simple. So if you have to maintain it and keep it up and running, it's a breeze to do so. And all these parts are available locally. The electrical box, what's nice about it, it's a very simple box. All the parts are locally sourced. They're Schneider parts throughout the machine, but very simple. So nothing complicated to run in your sawmill. This machine is a very fast machine. It'll run up to 60 meters a minute, no problem. So put your name in it, give us a shout, let us get it delivered to you.